Hello, welcome to the Student Scholars French course. In this lesson, we will learn the days of the week.
Bienvenue au cours de français StudentScholars. Dans cette leçon, nous apprendrons les jours de la semaine.
We will start learning the days of the week in French.
Nous allons commencer par apprendre les jours de la semaine en français.
Monday,
Lundi,
Tuesday,
mardi,
Wednesday,
mercredi,
Thursday,
jeudi,
Friday,
vendredi,
Saturday,
samedi,
Sunday.
dimanche.
Great work.
Excellent travail.
Fill in the blanks with the correct French day of the week.
Complétez les blancs avec le jour de la semaine en français. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi.
Today is Monday.
Demain, ce sera mardi.
Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Après-demain, ce sera mercredi.
The day after tomorrow will be Wednesday.
Quel jour est-ce après jeudi?
What day is after Thursday?
C'est vendredi.
It is Friday. Excellent work.
Excellent travail.
Let's continue.
Continuons. Quel jour est-ce avant lundi?
What day is before Monday?
C'est dimanche.
It is Sunday.
Le week-end commence le samedi.
The weekend starts on Saturday.
Le premier jour de la semaine est lundi.
The first day of the week is Monday. Bravo!
Bravo.
Write the French name of the day that comes before and after each given day.
Écrivez le nom français du jour qui vient avant et après chaque jour donné. Le jour avant mercredi et mardi.
The day before Wednesday is Tuesday.
Le jour après mercredi est jeudi.
The day after Wednesday is Thursday.
Le jour avant lundi est dimanche.
The day before Monday is Sunday.
Le jour après lundi est mardi.
The day after Monday is Tuesday.
Le jour avant vendredi est jeudi.
The day before Friday is Thursday.
Le jour après vendredi est samedi.
The day after Friday is Saturday.
Le jour avant dimanche est samedi.
The day before Sunday is Saturday.
Le jour après dimanche est lundi.
The day after Sunday is Monday.
Le jour avant jeudi est mercredi.
The day before Thursday is Wednesday.
Le jour après jeudi est vendredi.
The day after Thursday is Friday. Great work.
Excellent travail.
Let's read the poem.
Lisons le poème. Les jours de la semaine. Lundi, c'est le début. Mardi, on est déjà un peu plus en vue. Mercredi, c'est le milieu. Jeudi, on est presque heureux. Vendredi, c'est la fête. Samedi, on s'amuse sans regret. Dimanche, on se repose. La semaine recommence, c'est la pause.
The days of the week. Monday is the start. Tuesday, we're doing our part. Wednesday is the middle day. Thursday, we're almost on our way. Friday is time for fun. Saturday, we play in the sun. Sunday, we rest and take a break. The week begins again, for goodness sake. Bravo!
Bravo.
This concludes our lesson on the days of the week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Ceci conclut notre leçon sur les jours de la semaine. Merci d'avoir regardé. À la prochaine fois.